Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Stooges token. Ticker symbol is STOG. Now this is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. And this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it was just announced that this token will be listed on a very big central exchange soon, but it hasn't even started their pre-sale yet. Their pre-sale is going to start here. It says, I think it says 15 days? 15 days. So you still got a lot of time to go check this out before the pre-sale even starts. Countdown here is 15 days, 6 hours, 12 minutes until the pre-sale starts on Pinksale.finance. Now, they have a full audit, so they were audited by Solid Proof, and you can check that out on Pinksale. And they have a KYC, which means their team was doxed to Pinksale to verify who they are for security reasons. So they have here an announcement. It says, upcoming new listing, Bitmart will list the Stooges token soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So first of all, this token will go over to a public pre-sale on Pinksale, and that's going to start exactly May 10th, 17 hours UTC time, and it's going to go for a whole week until May 17th, 17 hours UTC time. Soft cap is 100 SOL, and there is no hard cap, so basically pre-sale is just going to go until time runs out. Then when the pre-sale's over, if you did miss the pre-sale, first of all, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Raydium for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Phantom wallet or your Soulflare wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for this token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, Stooges.io. Now, I'm not sure if you have to set slippage. It doesn't say anything about taxes on their page. I'll check their white paper in a second here. But liquidity will be locked on Raydium for 365 days. And around the same time it gets listed on Raydium, or maybe shortly after, this token will go over to Bitmart, and you can get it by downloading Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get Bitmart on your PC. But if Bitmart is not available in your country, you'll have to wait for other central exchange listings, or you can get it off Raydium. So Stooges coin was born as a criticism of the current crypto world, a totally ridiculous coin that is shaking up the crypto world with a pie in the face, inspired by the 3 legendary Stooges. This coin is here to prove that not everything in life has to be serious. It's fast, it's silly, it's on Solana, because why not? If you're tired of those boring coins that promise the moon and stars, but only give you charts and more charts, it's time to join us. Stooges.io, which is their webpage, isn't just a coin. It's a joke you can buy, sell, and most importantly, share. Now, the tokenomics here, it's on the Solana blockchain. Total supply, 3 billion tokens, 6 decimal places on this token. 45% of the tokens go to pre-sale. 25% go to liquidity on Raydium. 15% marketing, 10% central exchange listings like Bitmart, and 5% airdrops. Now, they do have, let's see here, it says 60% of the LP will be locked for 1 year, multi-platform banner ads, no taxes, so you won't have to worry about slippage, no private sale, full audit by Solid Proof, and central exchange listings are coming. So their roadmap here starts with website creation, deploy token, audit, construction of the narrative, social media creation, a big marketing campaign, Bitmart listing, pre-sale on Pinksale, Raydium launch, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listings, airdrop campaign, more central exchange listings, organic marketing, more central exchange listings, and NFT exclusive collection. So, introducing the Stooges airdrop. Create and share memes, earn Stooges. We want you to benefit. We want to benefit those who truly contribute to the meme culture, the creators and communities that create memes from around the world. As stipulated, 5% of the supply will be distributed evenly to the community. Those who complete and contribute the most to the project and the meme culture. The 200 people with the greatest activity in this competition will be selected. The main requirements will follow Stooges on social networks. Likewise, additionally, those who create memes, images, videos, music of the 3 Stooges will be valued extra. The winners will receive Stooges token in their wallet on June 20th. No administrator will speak to them to manage their prize or ask their wallet for private keys, so stay safe. Now they have a Telegram you could follow here at Stooges Official, and they have 2,853 subscribers on their Telegram, so they're doing pretty well there. And they do have a Twitter as well, which is at Stooges Official. As usual, I'm going to put that up here. On their Twitter, you will see that there is a full link tree there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. Their Twitter has 5,509 followers, blue verified checkmark, 10 tweets already. And if you go to that link tree, you're going to find apply for the airdrop, pre-sale link that's going to take you right to pinksale.finance, Telegram, website, and Twitter. Useless team born to have no utility is the tagline here. So go check out this token. Going over to Pinksale in like 15 days, and then after that, Raydium and Bitmart. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.